Hi students, I am discussed the pyrrole reactions. Pyrrole major reactions is electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. Basic reaction mechanism. This is electrophile. Simple, the reagent convert to the electrophile. The electrophile enter to the pyrrole second position. Second position is the major for the pyrrole reactions. This second position attack to the electrophile by the using of pi electrons by the formation of carbocation. At the same time, pyrrole attack to the electrophile, pyrrole compound losses to the aromaticity. Simple they losses to the resonance. That is resonance instability compound. After removal of hydrogen, the intermediate compound convert to the two electrophile substituted product is formed. Removal of hydrogen, the pyrrole gaining to the aromaticity, resonance stability. In this compound, involved to the pi electrons and lone pair of electrons delocalization. That's why this effect is called resonance. Removal of pi electrons, the resonance stability is lost. After gaining of pi electron, the resonance stability is gained. Basic reaction mechanism, the reagent convert to the electrophile, enter to the pyrrole second position. At the same time, removal of hydrogen from the pyrrole compound by the formation of two electrophile substituted product. Sometimes this hydrogen removed also bases. In first reaction mechanism, nitration, phenol react with acetyl nitrate by the formation of 2-nitropyrrole. Acetyl nitrate, they convert to the acetyl group and nitro group. This nitro group acts as a electrophile. This nitro group attached to the pyrrole at the second position. By the using of pi electrons. Then removal of hydrogen, this electron shifted to the inside by the formation of 2-nitropyrrole. How to formation of acetyl nitrate means acetic anhydride react with nitric acid by the formation of acetyl nitrate and acetic acid. Second one reaction, sulfonation. Pyrrole react with sulfur trioxide in presence of pyridine. Pyridine acts as a base by the formation of pyrrole to sulfonic acid. Sulfur trioxide convert to the electrophile. How it is convert means the electrons move to any of the oxygen, sulfur to oxygen, then move to sulfur carries positive charge. This electrophile enter to the pyrrole second position. This pyridine is a base accept to the hydrogen. This electron shifted to the inside. Base accept to the proton, they convert to the conjugate acid. This acid donate to the proton from the sulfur trioxide by the formation of pyrrole to sulfonic acid. Simple, any of the reaction, the reagent is converted to the electrophile attached to the second position. The carbocation intermediate is formed. Finally, two electrophile substituted product is formed. Next reaction, acetylation. Acetylation, the reagent is acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride react with pyrrole compound by the formation of 2-acyl pyrrole in presence of heat. This reaction used for the Lewis acid also. This acetic anhydride convert to the electrophile. How it is convert means the electrons move to carbon to oxygen. This carbon carries positive charge. This carbon acts as a electrophile. That electrophile entered to the second position, attack to the pyrrole ring. This oxygen is unstable. Why? Because excess of electrons shift into this nucleophile. This oxygen acts as a nucleophile. The electron shifted to the inside. This acetate nucleophile also removed. At the same time, hydrogen also removed. This electron shifted to the inside. This hydrogen, this acetate group react with acetic acid by the elimination of acetic acid by the formation of 2-acyl pyrrole. In presence of Lewis acid, Also this reaction formation of 2SI pyrrole. Halogenation. Pyrrole react with halogen by the formation of tetrahalopyrrole. Example, pyrrole react with bromine by the formation of 2, 3, 4, 5 tetrabromopyrrole. This mechanism is not clearly understood. The next one, diazotization reaction. Pyrrole react with 2-phenyl benzyl diazonium chloride. Pyrrole react with benzyl diazonium chloride by the formation of 2-phenyl diazopyrrole. Mechanism, benzyl diazonium chloride convert to the benzyl diazonium ion plus chloride ion. This benzyl diazonium ion attack to the second position. This nitrogen acts as the electrophile. Attack to the second position, removal of hydrogen, and this electron shifted to the inside. This chlorine react with the hydrogen by the elimination of hydrochloric acid by the formation of 2-phenyl diazopyrrole. Alkylation. In this alkylation, pyrrole react with methyl iodide, removal of hydrogen iodide, removal of this hydrogen plus iodine, removal of hydrogen iodide by the formation of 1-methyl pyrrole, methyl pyrrole. In high temperature cases, this is electrophilic substitution reaction, hydrogen ion removed to the methyl group. In high temperature cases, rearrangement reaction, this hydrogen ion shifted to this place, this methyl ion shifted to this place, second position, 2-methyl pyrrole and sometimes 3-methyl pyrrole also formed. This is the rearrangement reaction. Low temperature cases, generally 60 degrees centigrade, this product is formed. High temperature cases, the product is formed. One of the electrophilic substitution, one of the rearrangement reaction. Next reaction, the Riemer-Tiemer reaction. Pyrrole react with chloroform and potassium hydroxide by the formation of pyrrole 2-al, that is pyrrole 2-aldehyde. Mechanism, chloroform react with potassium hydroxide by the process is alpha elimination by the formation of dichlorocarbon, carbon containing one lone pair of electrons, 2 bonds, that is called carbene. Alpha elimination is the one of the compound eliminate to the electrophile and nucleophile. This chloroform remove to the Cl minus and H plus ion, remove to the nucleophile and electrophile by the formation of dichlorocarbon. The dichlorocarbon acts as electrophile, enter to the pyrrole second position, removal of hydrogen by the formation of this compound. In the acid catalyst, acid donate to the proton, carbene accept to the proton by the formation of this compound. Then process to the hydrolysis, removal of one chlorine to one hydroxyl group, that is nucleophilic substitution. Then hydroxyl group, chloro group at the present in one carbon, that is tetrahedral intermediate. This oxygen donate to the lone pair of electrons towards carbon, removal of hydrogen, removal of HCl by the formation of pyrrole 2-al. Next one reaction, Kolbe reaction. Pyrrole react with carbon dioxide by the formation of pyrrole 2-oic acid or pyrrole 2-carboxylic acid. Pyrrole 2-carboxylic acid. This carbon dioxide convert to the electrophile. Carbon to move electrons, oxygen. That's why carbon carries positive charge. That carbon dioxide enter to the pyrrole second position. This hydrogen accept to the oxygen group. This electron shifted to the inside by the formation of pyrrole 2-carboxylic acid, pyrrole 2-oic acid. These reactions are pyrrole electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. Another one reaction is called reduction. This is addition reaction. Pyrrole react with hydrogen gas at the presence of Rancy nickel. The hydrogen added to the pyrrole. The double bonded compounds convert to the single bond by the formation of pyrrolidine. The next one reaction, oxidation. Pyrrole react with oxygen in presence of chromic oxide and sulfur dioxide by the formation of malisimide. This one is reduction reaction, this one is oxidation. Reduction is nothing but addition of hydrogen. Oxidation is nothing but addition of oxygen. These are the pyrrole reactions.